stalls. Last time even we had a meeting as far as the tourism ministry is concerned. First and foremost, the stalls are still not ready. The stalls need to be put in place. Their business is all in disarray. So that is important thing that we need to.
They demand like 3 demands.
You only told me no that you had come to Jetty. They were asking for ID.
Yeah.
There's a reason you don't look like a goan. That's why. So then they had to ask you.
They are having
See, this is the policy as far as the tourism department is concerned. This has basically been tenders, and as far as part of the tender, that was the thing. It is written in the tender that as far as the tourists are concerned, I think there is a certain fee of 20 rupees.
25 rupees and 50 rupees. 25 and 50. For the kids at 25, adults is 50.
25 rupees and 50 rupees. That is the fees basically which is to be collected from the tourists to enter to see the Dona.
But they are telling that their stall should be given inside.
Their stall is here. Yeah, I am just telling you.
No, that's not they were telling that.
Baba, see, listen to me. Why this has been extended? What was the side of this? This was coming here. This has been extended. This has been extended. Not now. When I was in first government, when Mr. Parikar was there at that time. So this was extended basically to shift the stalls from there. Now you just tell me if you have a stall on that this thing, how do you expect people to see the tourists who ever come?
So is there any stall will be put in that?
There will be no stalls there. Not not even tourism department stall will come there.
So their demand was no outsiders.
No outsider will be allowed only. No one can see as far as doing business is concerned. As far as doing business is concerned, no one can do business other than the locals.
Okay, the next demand is to remove the gate from there.
That is not with me. That is with the tourism department. I will put up this thing in front of the tourism minister. Let tourism minister counter their whatever grievances.
The issue politicalized.
That is the reason I am saying. It is just the opposition which has come. So the moment they reach something on paper, Dona it is nothing that thing. It looks. Basically they are trying to show that that only they are the MLAs who are looking at the interest of the Goans, while others are not looking at the interest of the Goans. So that is most important. So at least that nonsense is not going to be carried down here. Sorry. No, don't politicize issue. See, politicizing issue, it is always when two elephants fight, it is the grass that suffers. I don't want them to suffer because of this political issue. Tomorrow, government should not see now whatever their grievances there, whatever they have got issues. These issues can be basically resolved, and we can speak to the minister. But the moment other political parties and this thing, then there is a clash of ego.
Okay,
so that should not happen. Regarding the gate fate, why you are the fun? I think you are the more of the opposition. I think you are taking a role now. Well, the opposition has kept quiet. I said what are the fun? Whatever their issues are there, as gate and all, I cannot give you any assurance. I'm telling you straight. And I am here to basically to protect as far as their business is concerned, and to see that these stalls come in place at the earliest. This is my job.
Thank you.
Okay, I have been supporting them for past 22 years, and I am still supporting them.
So you are with the locals.
I am with the locals. I am with them. आता तेंचे कितें म्हणणे आहा की हिंगा आमी गेट घातलेले आहा गव्हर्मेंटान गेट घातल्या देखून सगळे कोण बसता ते हिंगा आतां हिंगा लागून रातचे लेट बसपाक इज ऑल्सो डेंजरस so you need to have some protection others you need to keep some watchmen some police and all you need to keep today as far as security reasons tomorrow there may be some security threat there who can say it? I'm just trying to say, so we got to look into the government side of it. Why tourism department basically has done this. We will ask them. Tender has already been floated. That this thing has already started also. So I don't feel that has got anything affects their business. So I want to understand from them in what way their business is affected by the gate. This is my only mistake.